Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my math channel. Today we're looking at how to solve a word problem using a template. And this template is already selected for us. We have to look at a problem, copy the question, which I already did. It's right here. What fraction of the pie did he give to his friends? Let's look at the problem. And so it says Christine baked a pumpkin pie. So notice that this piece of information says that it was only one pie. She ate 1/6 of the pie. Okay, so she ate one part of it. And her brother ate 1/3. So the brother ate another part. So that's two parts. And gave the leftovers to his friends. So that's the third part. So how do I know? Because they're leftovers. So what that allows me to do, it teaches me to do, or allows me to think about is the pie has to be divided in three parts. So there's part one and part two. Okay, I'm working with a new tablet here, so if you see me, the words look a little weird, then let me know. I mean, just understand that that's why. So now we know that the sister ate how much? She ate 1/6 of the pie. So sister, she ate that's the pie. So that's the sister. Okay, that's Christine, the one that baked the cake. If you look at the next part, it's the brother. He ate 1/3. So he ate 1/3. Brother. He must have been a little hungry. We don't know who ate more, but we'll find out. And then the rest of it was given to the friends. So we don't know how much was given to them. We know that it was the leftovers. Leftovers. Okay, so that pictures help us a lot. So we know that they had only one pie. And this whole thing represents one pie. Okay, that's one pie. But part of the pie was eaten. It was this part right here that these two young men, these two young people ate. So let me just color this. So all of this was eaten already. Okay. Okay. So what do we do with this? Well, I think what we need to do is we have to put them together because see, they ate it already, so we have to add them up. That's the logical step to do. We're gonna add them up. So notice that these two fractions have a different denominator. So we have to do 1/6 plus 1/3. Okay, so we have to make sure that these we're going to find common denominators. We're going to find the equivalent fractions. So as you've been learning that 6, it's all multiplied by the opposite denominator, which is a 3. And the 1 is also multiplied by the same denominator, which is a 3. Now we'll go to the 3. The three's opposite denominator is the 6. So we multiply the denominator and numerator by 6. Now let's rewrite that so it is clearer. So this right here is 1 times 3. And this right here is 6 times 3. That's going to be our first equivalent fraction. This is going to be plus. So 6 times 1 or 1 times 6 is our next one. Divided by 3 times 6. So that's going to be the result of our next equivalent fraction. So let's do the multiplication. 1 times 3 equals 3. That's not 3. Okay, what happened? So 1 times 3 equals 3. Oh yeah, I was going to do the arrow. Okay, so that's 3. And 6 times 3 equals 18. Plus 1 times 6 equals 6. And 3 times 6 equals 18. When you add this up, that's going to be 9/18. Okay, now this is how much they ate. Now, the other thing I want you to do is write this next to the fraction. So, for example, now we know that the 1/6 equals 3/18, and the 1/3 equals 6/18. So notice that these are the equivalent fractions. Remember that because you need to explain things at sometimes. So knowing that we have that information, and so we had a whole pie. So the next step will be, so we have one whole pie, and we're gonna subtract the amount that these kids ate. Okay, now, based on this, what do you call the denominator, we cannot subtract this fraction from 1. So we have to convert that 1 into 18s. So let's write the 1. The 1 is going to be now 18 18s. And we subtract the 9 18s. Let me just do this. What I did is just made the 1 into 18 parts because that way we can subtract it. They have to have similar denominators. When we do that, then we do the subtraction, and this is how much their friends ate. So now we can answer the question. So the friends, the leftovers eaten by the friends is 9/18 of a pie. And we want to be more technical. We know that 9/18 can be divided, both of them can be divided by 9. So we're going to simplify here. So let me write this. Simplify. When you do that, that's going to be 9 divided by 9 equals 1. And oh, okay, let me check something. Okay, there we go. And then we do 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So, oh, look at this. So the brother and the sister ate 1/2 of the pie, and the friends ate 1/2 of the pie. My friends, logically think about these problems. They're easy. All you gotta do is focus on the reading and take it apart. Signing out, your coach Magno from your math channel, your favorite math